Okay, so Chuchu. Oh, something's happening. Yes! Yes, kiss me. Okay, good, good, good. Good. Is it finally working? Okay, good. It's working. Hi guys. Hi. Okay. Should work. Okay, go back to my channel. It's because I made a new one, a fixed one. Channel. Delete.
Dude, I'm saying it right now. And
I'm here. I'm right here. Hey.
I didn't hear you.
Hi. Hi. Good evening. Hey. Hey, boys.
I didn't hear.
Be quiet. Hi guys. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. No. No videos.
There's no life.
Dogs. Dogs. Pop out chat, please. Why? Spring. William! Bit. Why is my life not here? Too bad. Still be private or what private? What? How do you not private? Ah, yes, public. Done. Okay. We didn't be quiet. Hi. Hi. Whatever, he's completely broken. Okay. Hi guys. See? It works. Yeah, but it's just a few seconds off, see? Okay? Because it's...
Can you see the chat?
William, I see your chat, yes. I added you as a moderator. Okay, William? That means you can block people and stuff, but please do it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna remove your standard monitor. Boom. You guys. Hi.
The volume is fully up for me.
Mama is hearing you. Quiet. Get out of here.
What do you mean,
Hi guys, how are you? So, Hi guys. I'm gonna make a poll so that we're gonna see if alright. So macros. I really like Rust, it's great. Publish. U64. Secretary through all characters in a string. Okay, this one. This one I don't understand. It's kind of. If debug equals true. Alright, nice. Should we make a calculator? Alright. Let's just. What should we do? How do I. Okay. Let's make a calculator. There we go, fresh new project. Alright, great. It will return another I-32. There you go. So I'm just gonna be building a basic calculator, and it's gonna be in Rust. I'm new to Rust, but I feel like it's gonna be pretty good, you know. And the interesting thing about Rust is that it's very strict, like Go. So they catch things even before compile time, which I always thought was interesting. Okay, number 1 minus 2. Okay. Yeah, welcome to the calculator. Enter a operation to begin. No, I think we should make this on a new line. Yeah. Print line. Enter a operation to begin. This will do operation. Input is equal to string dot new operation input. Why? Oh, that's it. Operation is going to be equal to parse in for the operation input. Why is it? Oh, it's supposed to be let. Boom. There we go. Okay, let's make it cleaner. Okay, so after that, I have to use IO. Oh. So just mutable. Oh. So does this work? Why? Finding. It says at mute. I'm reading it and mute. Operation. But then it says can't borrow. Wait, what did we do here? Do what? Input. Oh, because we have to make it mutable. William, Willie Tawfiq. We're making a calculator in Rust. Rust is a compiled language and it's very strict type based and it's pretty good in my opinion. Very fast. And honestly, I like it more than C++ because C++ is just very hard to learn. While here, to me, it's more understandable. Match operation. Why do I feel like there should be input? Input, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And then what? What does it want? Oh, yeah. So, invalid operation. Expected found string. Control flow based on pattern matching. Oh, so this is sometime. How do we just? Because in Python you can just let result. Oh, that works apparently. Okay, if this is unused variable, oh, so like this. Oh, alright, there we go. That worked. So if the user inputs a plus, in that case, we will add use operations. Oh, I'm just gonna use every single operation. Okay, there we go. Add number 1 and number 2. Okay, but before we ask for the operation, enter 2 numbers to begin. Okay, wait. Okay, let's just rethink this. Okay, so print line, enter n1 space, no need for the space. Okay, then we'll do, yeah, this one's gonna be n1. Okay, and here is where we're gonna do the let n1 is equal to rsn. So now I'm having no problems, except for this one, of course, unused import. Yeah, we'll do that later. Why 3 though? There's 4. Have we even tested these? Wait. So the add, yeah. Print line, add 3 and 2. I'm missing a string that you have to format with, huh? What does it mean? It says number. Yep. That's a problem. Oh. There we go. No, that's a bigger problem. What does this mean? Format argument must be a string literal. Oh, yeah. I forgot. You can just. A front test is never used. Unused variables. Okay. You know what? Just completely comment it out. this one. Now Java, no problem. Well, now we know that works. Let's uncomment everything out again. Make this main. Right. Now we can do this. Bring them all back. Okay, now that we brought them back, that's one. Then we'll say print. Now we will ask for the second number, which is in for n2. No, yes, and 2 not there. But we're gonna do that right now. Operation and then 2. Okay. And 2. Now time to check the operation. So this operation, what are we gonna do? Can we just print line into operation plus minus multiply divide, and then just add a rs in for operation. Okay, this one's looking a bit crazy. Okay, now I'm just gonna do a lot of ifs because I don't want to mess it up with the match right now. So if op is equal to plus print line result of adding and is that will, yeah, and 1 comma and 2 it's broken, and what's the other one? Oh, result. Yes. Result. Let result of type I32 equal to the add of n1 and n2. No, should still have no problem with that. Functional incorrect. Expected I32 from GU size. How do we format this? Okay, can we? Okay, wait. I'm just gonna pull it up. How to format Rust U size and string into I32. So we can say try. So apparently we use convert try into. Okay, these are two different things. Okay, but wait, why do these exit two different things in the first place? Because here it's number 1, yeah? And this is, why is this U size? Why? It's supposed to be string. Why is the whole thing broken? Oh, good. Yeah. Okay, wait. U size. Okay, what is the U size thing? Interesting. I'm gonna check that right now. But down here, okay, let's search up converter.rs. Yeah, place it here. So how is that gonna work? So I found this. So try into, and let's just nope, no. mod converter. There we go. Unused. So here we have input and input. Safely int from usize. Match try into okay valve. Oh, so you just do try into, so that will convert it. Oh, that's easy. It's we don't need to convert string though. Okay, I'm gonna need to do a few things to fix this. For example, usize to R32. Okay. We don't even need this. Okay. Int from usize, yes. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have the usize in. It's gonna be usize in of type usize. And this whole thing will output a I32. So we just remove this. Boom. New binding. Okay, fine. Let's in from usize. And then here we're just gonna say, what is it? Wait. Use this instead. Wait. Use this. This match type. What did we do here? 32 or 32. Okay, then we'll just do int from usize. Hey, that works. Where's this error? Oh, usize in. Boom, should work. Okay, use converter int from usize. Huh? Use what it says here. Oh, usize to 138. Usize to 138. Okay, it's private. Oh, I understand that now. Pub. We'll make it public, and now it has another problem. Okay, first we're gonna change these into usize. Make all variables from usize to I32. We're gonna say let's n1. Okay, n1 of type I32 is equal to usize to I32, except the usize, which is n1. Boom. Copy, enter, 2. There we go. Now it should have no problem. 3 positional arguments, but there are 2 is result. Now the whole thing should work. These things. Right. Okay, good. Enter n1, 3. Enter n2, 7. Plus. Huh? What? If operation is equal to plus let's result equals and print line. Why does this not work, guys? Why does it not work? If okay, let's think. So wait, when we is it because yay, look at this. Yay. Okay, so now it's not gonna allow that, so now we need use as to string. So now we do need that. Okay. We still need that back code. Where was it? But that's string to I32. So formatting usize to string Rust. Yes. So that's gonna be no. Oh, we just use the dot to string. We're gonna go over here. Yes. We're gonna do. We're just gonna use the dot to string. Wait. If alt dot to string. Hey, wait, we did that. Okay. Let's check now. 3 and 7 plus. Why? Why does this piece of code just destroy itself? Why does this not work? That's so broken. That's interesting. So if op is a string, oh, because apparently when you do op, that's a so dot trim apparently. That does still not work. So why does this one okay, I'm gonna okay, so the trim doesn't work, yeah? So if the trim doesn't work here, why? Is it already no, it's a U size. So then oh, apparently well, apparently there's look. What I did wrong was nope. So here we'll take in the string, yeah? Dot read line dot expect. So here we'll take in the string, yeah? So where is the error? Convert string to number. Oh wait, so it is actually a string? I32 trim parse. I don't know, I just like it like that. It looks so much cleaner. Yeah. There that one can stay. So that removes any inter like slash n characters slash n whatever if adding them. So this works because we need to convert the strings into numbers. Dot parse. Interesting. So we don't even need to use the converter at all. Sorry. Bye bye. At all. So it should work. Hey. Well, that works. Okay, that's interesting. Alright. Well, it should be pretty easy adding the others because we can just do else if op is equal to minus. And then we'll just do the same thing, but it's sub true. where to subtract. Why? What does not like the subtract? Oh. We need to make them real. Alright. Subtracting with this is. Okay, so if I do else if once more, up is equal to multiply, it's going to be multiply of multiplying. Okay, let's just quickly do else if up is equal to divide. Well, let's test it. Let's say 3 subtracted 2. Okay, let's try again. Say 5 divided 2 is. This is interesting. Oh, because it's still an integer. Yeah, 5 divided by 2. So here we always wanted a of type F, or like the float 32, yeah? Yeah, we're just gonna make it return float 64. Why? Return type, you can convert some adjective from dot into F64 F. Nope. Wait, what? Okay. So what is this issue here? You can convert producing an integer dot into. What does it mean? Oh. That's what it meant. Alright, so now it should work. 5 divided by 2. Yay. What? Still didn't. Why? Why is that like that? Oh, apparently it says we need to do like this. And then how many decimals? Like this. Using just one. Hey, there we go. Or is it just the way that I've written it? Okay. Well, I definitely need to fix that. Well, let's say 10 and 3. Multiplication 30. Well, we know that works. What is going on here? If it says what if we input I32 and then we and then we will divide I32 by I32 and then dot into to turn it into a float 64, so then that should display. If we have F64 So was I. Wait, it should work. Maybe this is like 10 divided by 3. Well, we do need to fix that. Alright, so bye guys, I'm gonna be hopping off, and when I come back, hopefully I'll either be fixing this part, because that's honestly so confusing. If you guys know, please type in the chat. Yeah, and see you next time.